Have you ever wondered why the Leaning Tower of Pisa is still standing? I mean, look at it. A 56-meter marble tower that's been leaning for over 800 years. How on earth hasn't it collapsed already? The story starts in the 12th century in the small Italian city of Pisa. Back then, Pisa was a powerful maritime republic, rich, ambitious, and obsessed with showing off its glory. So in 1173, they began building a massive bell tower for the cathedral, a masterpiece of white marble rising from a quiet field they called Campo dei Miracoli, the Field of Miracles. But here's the funny part. They didn't know the ground they were building on was made of soft clay, sand, and shells, the kind of soil that moves when you put something heavy on it. And after just 3 floors, the tower began to tilt. Now imagine you're one of those medieval builders. You're not about to admit failure in front of the whole city. So they tried to fix it by building the next floors slightly taller on one side, but that only made it lean more. It became a beautiful mistake frozen in stone. For centuries, engineers, scientists, and even dictators tried to fix it. Mussolini once tried to straighten it, but when they pumped concrete under it, it leaned even further. Classic human hubris. But here's where modern science steps in. In the late 20th century, geotechnical engineers realized that the very same soft soil that caused the lean might actually be what's saving it. When an earthquake hits, the waves get absorbed and spread through the clay instead of shaking the tower apart. Basically, the ground acts like a natural shock absorber. In 1990, the lean was so extreme that the tower was officially closed to the public. Scientists feared it could fall any day. Over the next decade, they used an elegant, almost poetic solution. Instead of trying to push it back up, they removed tiny amounts of soil from beneath the higher side. Slowly, carefully, the tower leaned back just enough to make it stable again, without erasing its famous tilt. Today, the Leaning Tower of Pisa leans at about 3.97 degrees, and experts say it'll stay that way for at least another 200 years. It's become a symbol not just of architectural failure, but of human persistence, creativity, and respect for imperfection. Maybe that's why people from all over the world still come to see it. Not because it's perfect, but because it isn't. It reminds us that beauty doesn't always mean symmetry. Sometimes the things that make us unique, the flaws, the mistakes, the tilts, are what make us stand out. So maybe the real question isn't, why is the Tower of Pisa leaning? Maybe it's, why are we so obsessed with fixing things that are already perfect in their imperfection? If you like this story, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's one flaw in the world you think makes it beautiful?